How to fix Twitch sound problem. Welcome guys, if you have sound problem on Twitch, I will show you how to fix it today. Let's do it. Just open your settings of your mobile phone. Go now, click on the apps option and search for Twitch and click. You will find here the list. Go to your storage option, click clear cache, and you should click on force stop and click OK. So now you just have to turn on your airplane mode, turn off it next when you finish, and go then restart your mobile phone, and that's it. Don't forget to like, also subscribe, and